Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to change the oil in a Ford Fusion. First, gather your essential tools, including a 13mm wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. Make sure you have 5 quarts of the correct engine oil, typically 5W20 or 5W30, along with a new oil filter and a fresh drain plug washer. Always park your vehicle on a level surface and engage the parking brake for safety before you begin. Now, let's drain the old oil. Carefully slide under your Ford Fusion and locate the oil drain plug, usually a 13mm bolt, on the bottom of the oil pan. Place your drain pan directly beneath it. Using your wrench, slowly loosen and remove the drain plug. Allow the old engine oil to drain completely into the pan. This usually takes about 10 minutes to ensure all the old oil is out. With the old oil draining, it's time to replace the oil filter. Locate the old filter, often near the front of the engine. Use an oil filter wrench to loosen and remove it, being mindful of any residual oil. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin film of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. Hand tighten the new filter until it's snug, then give it an additional 3/4 of a turn with the wrench. Finally, let's add the new oil. Reinstall the drain plug with a new washer, tightening it securely but not over-tightening. Now, carefully pour the 5 quarts of fresh engine oil into the oil fill port on top of the engine. Start your vehicle and let it run for about 1 minute, then shut it off. After a few minutes, check the oil level with the dipstick and inspect for any leaks around the drain plug and filter.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.